Cordial greetings. My name is Yuli. I am from Department of Antioquia, Municipality of Caicedo. I work as a municipal liaison in the mayor office and the moment and the developing professionalization in both needs administration. One of the main environment and disease causing problems in the uses pesticides in fertilizers as it may consequences we can show diseases in children and the elderly for apparent reasons. At present is no longer growth organization due to their desire the producers cost in exchange on the apparent better quality in order to generate great economic income. In the community where alive or money economy is coffee and avocado for the control of pests and the weeds, those natural traps are no longer used. They have been replaced with insecticides and herbicides. We no longer arches or grandparents did. The soils are retired and without natural agents that help them recover their vitality. That is with the peasant's resource to the house of the product. We kill ourselves slowly in their desires, the producers more in the lifetime. And we were all able to understand in the importance of the field-based natural. We will reduce medical appointments preventing skin disease and demands on the whole organs. One of the best practices in the recultivated organic products, fertilized when with residues produced for the some crops making pest controls based on plant extracts or natural extracts.